Chapter 12 Areas Related to Circle. You are already familiar with some method of finding perimeters and areas of simple plane figures such as rectangles, squares, parallelogram, triangle and circle from your earlier classes. Many objects that we come across in our daily life are related to the circular shape in some form or other. Example: cycle wheel, round cake, puppet, drain cover, bangles, etc. So, the problem of finding perimeters and area related to circular figure is of great practical importance. In this chapter, we shall begin our discussion with a review of the concept of perimeter and the area of circle and apply this knowledge in finding the areas of two special parts of circular region known as sector and segment. First, we can discuss some basic terms related with a circle. Radius. A radius of a circle is any of the line segment from its center to its circumference. Next, diameter. A diameter of a circle is any line segment that passes through the center of a circle whose endpoints lie on the circle. It can also be defined as the longest chord of the circle. Next one, chord. The line segment connecting any 2 points on the circle's circumference is called the chord of the circle. What is meant by circumference of a circle? It is the distance covered by traveling once around a circle. Now, what do you know about pi? The circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter. This constant ratio is denoted by a Greek letter pi. Therefore, the circumference is equal to pi into diameter, that is 2 pi r. The great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta gave an approximate value of pi, which is nearly equal to 3.14. Using an identity of great mathematical genius Srinivasa Ramanujan, we are able to calculate the value of pi correct to million places of decimal. You may also recall that area of a circle is pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. By cutting a circle into a number of sectors and rearranging them as shown in figure, we can see that the area of circle is pi r square. Next, what are sector and segment of a circle? A sector of a circle is the region bounded by two radii and the intercepted arc. A segment of a circle is the region bounded by a chord and its intercepted arc. See figures. In figure, the shaded region OAPB is called the sector or minor sector of the circle, and angle AOB is called the angle of the sector. This is an example for minor sector. But in the figure, unshaded region OAQB is called the major sector of the circle. Then how to find out the angle of the major sector? You just subtract from 360 degree. When we think about the sectors in everyday life, we may think about a slice of cake or slice of pizza. Is Pac-Man a sector? Yes, it is a major sector. All these are some examples for sector of a circle. Now, what is a semicircle? It is a half of a circle and its area will be half, but doesn't have half the perimeter of a circle. Then, what is a quadrant? Quadrant meaning if you divide a circle into 4 equal parts, one part is called quadrant. The second important part of a circle is segment. It is the portion of the circular region enclosed between a chord and the corresponding arc. Here also minor segment is there and major segment is there. The smaller portion is called minor segment and the bigger portion is called major segment. So once again, what are the important parts of a circle? Radius, diameter, chord, sector angle of the sector, segment and circumference. Then how to find out the area of sector and segment? Area of a sector of a circle is theta by 360 into pi r square, where theta is the angle of the sector and r is the radius. Then how to find out the length of an arc? The total circumference 2 pi r. So the length of the minor arc will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now from the figure it is clear that the area of segment of a circle is area of sector minus area of triangle. That is theta by 360 into pi r square minus half r square sin theta, where half r square sin theta is the formula to find out the area of a triangle. Therefore, the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Area of a circle pi r square. The length of the minor arc theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Length of the major arc 360 minus theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of the sector theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of the major sector 360 minus theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Area of major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minor sector. That formula also you can use. Perimeter of a sector, how to find out? L plus 2r. The area of segment of a circle, how to find out? Area of corresponding sector minus area of corresponding triangle. And area of semicircle, half of the circle, that is half pi r square. And area of quadrant is 1 by 4 pi r square. Thank you.